For disassembling, you need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. You will also need the camera removal tool SS287. Protect the touchscreen with protective film. Use the finger groove to release the battery cover. Remove the battery cover. If there is a battery inside, remove it also. Unscrew the 8 Torx Plus size 5 screws in the order shown. Do not use the screws again. Discard them. Use the SRT6 to release these 2 snaps. Release also these 2 snaps on the other side of the device. Separate the D-cover assembly by lifting it up, bottom end first. Use tweezers to remove the camera key. Remove the power key. Remove also the volume key. Disconnect the touch connector with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the rubber around the connector or any components nearby. Disconnect the display connector with the SS93. Be careful not to damage the rubber around the connector or any components nearby. Release the clip holding the engine board with the SS93. Lift up the engine board, as shown. Insert the SRT6 into the earpiece hole. Carefully lift up touch panel for 10 seconds, to loosen the adhesive. Continue detaching the touch panel by sliding the SRT6 to the right. Then slide the SRT6 to the left. Be careful not to damage the flex underneath. Continue by releasing the touch panel side and the bottom end with the SRT6. Release also the other side with the SRT6. Use tweezers to pull the connector flex through the A-cover hole. Separate the A-cover and the touch panel. Protect the display with protective film. Remove the light guide with tweezers. Use the SRT6 to release the display. Be careful not to damage the flex underneath. Use tweezers to put the connector flex through the A-cover hole. Separate the A-cover and the display. Note that the A-cover cannot be used again. Carefully release the earpiece with the dental tool. Be careful not to injure yourself with the sharp end of the dental tool. The earpiece is not reusable. Discard it. Remove the mic rubber with tweezers. Remove the search key lead sponge with tweezers. Do not use it again. Discard it. Remove the back and home key lead sponge with tweezers. Do not use it again. Discard it. Peel off the Mylar USB with tweezers. It is not reusable. Discard it. Remove the proximity sensor rubber with tweezers. Release one corner of the Mila receiver with the SS93. Peel it off with tweezers. And discard it. Remove the LCD connector rubber with tweezers. Do not use it again. Discard it. Remove the touch panel connector rubber with tweezers. Do not use it again. Discard it. Use the camera removal tool SS287 to detach the camera. Release the speaker sealing sponge with SS93. Be careful not to damage the components on the engine board. Remove it with tweezers. Do not use it again. Lift up the IHF speaker with the SS93. Discard the IHF speaker. Now the Nokia Lumia 510 disassembly procedure is complete.